Today's topic: how to take care of a budgie. Budgies or budgies for short are delightful birds that make great pets. In fact, they are the third most kept pet after dogs and cats. These Australian birds cost a little to keep, is happy in a home environment, and will even try to copy your words over time. They have better vocabularies than macaws and cuckoos. Budgies can remember 500 words, much more than many bird species. So what do you do to take care of a budgie? Number 1. Setting up a big cage. Birds need to have some space to play and stretch their wings. If you care about their well-being, try to find a model that lets the lights go through. The cage should be at least 15 cm and 6 cm wide and high. Try to buy a cage that is wider than it is tall and with a square top. Budgies fly horizontally, not vertically like quails. Number 2. Add a bath. You know budgie girls like to bath every day. Budgies might defeat a lot, but they also like to stay clean. They even like to go underwater for a fun. Look at your favorite pet shop for a stable mini bathtub made out of plastic that you can hook to the cage. Number 3. Add you new toys for their happiness. You know they love to play. When you add some plastic instrument in the case, they love to play this instrument. Number 4. Think about the room. You should try to put the bird in a warm room where there is no temperature fluctuation. A light room will keep your bird stimulated and happy, and a room close to a family activity will prevent your bird from